The 2008 D. Andrew Jackson $1 coin is part of the presidential $1 coin program, a major modern United States numismatic series launched by the U.S. Mint in 2007 to honor deceased presidents of the United States in the order they served, beginning with George Washington. Andrew Jackson, the 7th President of the United States, served 1829 to 1837. Was honored in 2008, with coins struck at the Denver Mint, identified by the D mint mark, and this issue represents not only a circulating legal tender coin but also a symbolic reflection of American political history, democratic evolution, and early 19th century national identity. The obverse of the coin features a bold, forward-facing portrait of Andrew Jackson, engraved with strong classical lines to convey firmness, resolve, and authority, traits historically associated with Jackson's presidency. Surrounding the portrait are the inscriptions Andrew Jackson, 7th President, and the years 1829 to 1837, all arranged in a clean, modern layout distinct from traditional U.S. coinage styles, emphasizing the commemorative nature of the series. The reverse design is uniform across all presidential $1 coins and depicts the Statue of Liberty, symbolizing freedom, democracy, and the enduring ideals of the United States, accompanied by the inscriptions United States of America and $1, reinforcing the coin's national and monetary identity. Unlike most earlier U.S. coins, the presidential dollars place the date, 2008, mint mark, D, and the mottos E pluribus unum, in God we trust, on the edge of the coin, a distinctive feature that revived an old U.S. mint tradition and made the series instantly recognizable. Edge lettering orientation varies depending on minting position, adding subtle variety valued by collectors. The coin is composed of a manganese brass-clad alloy, 88.5% copper, 6% zinc, 3.5% manganese, and 2% nickel, giving it a golden appearance similar to the Sacagawea dollar, with a weight of 8.1 grams, diameter of 26.5 millimeters, and a smooth edge containing in-use inscriptions. Andrew Jackson himself remains one of the most complex and debated figures in American history. Celebrated as a champion of the common man, a war hero of the Battle of New Orleans, 1815, and a defender of strong executive authority, yet also criticized for his policies toward Native Americans, particularly the Indian Removal Act of 1830, making this coin both a tribute and a conversation piece reflecting the evolving interpretation of U.S. history. The 2008 D issue was produced in large quantities for circulation. Tens of millions were struck, meaning most examples today are common in circulated condition. However, uncirculated coins, especially those preserved directly from mint rolls or bags, are popular with collectors, while edge lettering errors, such as missing or doubled inscriptions, can command significant premiums. Although the presidential $1 coins saw limited public circulation due to preference for paper currency, they hold lasting educational and historical value, often collected as complete date and mint sets, and the Andrew Jackson dollar specifically bridges traditional American imagery with modern coinage design philosophy. Today, the 2008 D. Andrew Jackson $1 coin stands as a tangible artifact of early 21st century U.S. minting policy, honoring a pivotal president while showcasing innovative production techniques, making it an important piece for collectors, historians, educators, and enthusiasts interested in the intersection of numismatics, national memory, and American presidential legacy. Next, Top 2. The 2009 D. William Henry Harrison $1 coin is a significant issue of the presidential $1 coin program, a landmark modern U.S. mint series authorized by the Presidential $1 Coin Act of 2005 and launched in 2007 to honor deceased presidents in the chronological order of their service, struck at the Denver Mint and bearing the D mint mark. This coin commemorates William Henry Harrison, the 9th President of the United States, whose presidency in 1841 is historically notable for being the shortest in American history, lasting only 31 days, yet whose life and career left a deep imprint on early U.S. military, territorial, and political development. The obverse design presents a dignified, classical portrait of William Henry Harrison, rendered with restrained detail that reflects both his age at inauguration, the oldest president to assume office at that time, and his long public service. Surrounding the portrait are the inscriptions William Henry Harrison, 9th President, and 1841, clearly identifying his place in the presidential sequence and the year of his brief tenure. The reverse follows the standardized design used throughout the series, featuring a symbolic image of the Statue of Liberty, representing freedom, democratic ideals, and national continuity, accompanied by the inscriptions United States of America and $1, reinforcing the coin's status as legal tender and a national commemorative issue. A distinctive feature of this coin, as with all presidential dollars, is the placement of the date, 2009, mint mark, D, and national mottos E pluribus unum, and "In God We Trust" on the edge of the coin, struck in ink-use lettering. The orientation of this edge text can vary from coin to coin depending on the minting process, creating subtle collectible variations and occasional errors such as missing or doubled lettering that are especially sought after by numismatists. The coin is composed of a manganese brass-clad alloy, 88.5% copper, 6% zinc, 3.5% manganese, and 2% nickel, giving it a distinctive golden color, with a diameter of 26.5 millimeters, a weight of 8.1 grams, and a smooth edge carrying the inkest inscriptions. William Henry Harrison's historical importance extends far beyond his presidency. He was a celebrated frontier military leader, victor of the Battle of Tippecanoe, 1811, governor of the Indiana Territory, U.S. congressman, senator, and diplomat, and his 1840 presidential campaign is famous for pioneering modern electioneering with slogans, songs, and mass political rallies, particularly the iconic Tippecanoe and Tyler II motto. His death from illness shortly after delivering a long inaugural address during cold weather shocked the nation and led to the first presidential succession under the U.S. Constitution, setting an important precedent for the transfer of executive power to Vice President John Tyler. From a numismatic perspective, the 2009 D. William Henry Harrison dollar was minted in large quantities primarily for collectors, as public demand for $1 coins in circulation had declined sharply by that time. As a result, most examples today are found in uncirculated condition, often still in original mint rolls or bags, making them accessible to collectors while also highlighting the broader challenges faced by modern U.S. coinage programs. Although common in terms of mintage, the coin's historical theme, short-reign presidency, and place within the presidential series give it enduring educational and collectible appeal, particularly for those assembling complete presidential sets or studying the evolution of American political history through coinage. In summary, the 2009 D. William Henry Harrison $1 coin stands as a compact yet powerful historical artifact, honoring a president whose life story shaped early America, reflecting innovative minting practices of the 21st century, and serving as a lasting reminder that even the briefest presidency can leave a permanent mark on the nation's constitutional, political, and numismatic legacy. Next, Top 3. The 2010 P. Franklin Pierce $1 coin is a historically rich issue of the presidential $1 coin program, a modern United States mint initiative authorized by the Presidential $1 Coin Act of 2005 and introduced in 2007 to honor deceased presidents in the chronological order of their service, struck at the Philadelphia Mint and identified by the P mint mark. This coin commemorates Franklin Pierce, the 14th President of the United States, who served a single term from 1853 to 1857 during one of the most politically volatile and morally complex periods in American history, as sectional tensions over slavery intensified in the years leading toward the Civil War. The obverse of the coin features a carefully modeled portrait of Franklin Pierce, presented in a calm yet somber neoclassical style that reflects both his dignified demeanor and the heavy burdens of leadership he carried. Encircling the portrait are the inscriptions Franklin Pierce, 14th President, and 1853 to 1857, clearly identifying his place in the presidential line and the years of his administration. As with all presidential dollars, the reverse design is uniform across the series and displays the Statue of Liberty, symbolizing freedom, national ideals, and democratic continuity, accompanied by the inscriptions United States of America and $1, reinforcing the coin's role as legal tender while visually linking it to the broader commemorative program. A distinctive technical characteristic of this coin is the placement of the date, 2010, mint mark, P, and the national mottos E Pluribus Unum and In God We Trust on the edge of the coin in ink-use lettering, reviving an early U.S. minting tradition. The orientation of the edge lettering may vary depending on the striking process, and examples with missing, doubled, or weak edge inscriptions are of particular interest to collectors. The Franklin Pierce dollar is composed of a manganese brass-clad alloy consisting of 88.5% copper, 6% zinc, 3.5% manganese, and 2% nickel, giving it a distinctive golden color similar to the Sacagawea dollar, with a diameter of 26.5 millimeters, a weight of 8.1 grams, and a smooth edge bearing the inkest text. Historically, Franklin Pierce is remembered as a tragic and controversial figure. A Northern Democrat with Southern sympathies, his presidency was marked by the passage and enforcement of the Kansas-Nebraska Act, 1854, which allowed territories to decide the issue of slavery by popular sovereignty and effectively repealed the Missouri Compromise, leading to violent conflict known as Bleeding Kansas, and accelerating the nation's march toward civil war. Personally, Pierce endured profound sorrow, including the death of his last surviving son shortly before his inauguration, an event that deeply affected his emotional state and leadership. From a numismatic perspective, The 2010 P. Franklin Pierce presidential dollar was minted primarily for collectors rather than widespread circulation, as public demand for $1 coins had declined sharply by that time. Consequently, many surviving examples remain in uncirculated condition, often found in original mint rolls, bags, or official U.S. mint sets, making the coin accessible to collectors while still holding substantial historical and educational value. Collectors appreciate this issue not for rarity but for its powerful historical symbolism, representing a presidency that illustrates the difficulties of leadership during national crisis and the limitations of compromise in the face of deep moral divisions. In summary, the 2010 P. Franklin Pierce $1 coin stands as a compact yet meaningful artifact that links modern U.S. minting innovation with a pivotal and cautionary chapter in American history, honoring a president whose term, though often judged harshly, played a critical role in shaping the events that ultimately led to the preservation and redefinition of the United States.